In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pivot table in Microsoft Excel so you can quickly summarize and analyze your data. Start by entering your data into a range of rows and columns, making sure each column has a heading. For example, you might have a list of people, their education levels, and marital status. Before creating your pivot table, think about what question you want to answer with this data, because that will guide how you set it up. Once your data is ready, highlight the entire range, then go to the Insert tab and click Pivot Table. A dialog box will appear asking where you want to place your pivot table. It's usually best to use a new worksheet. Then click OK. You'll see an empty pivot table with a pane on the side called Pivot Table Fields. This is where you decide how your data is displayed. In the Pivot Table Fields pane, you can drag your columns into 4 areas: filters, columns, rows, and values. Filters allow you to segment your data. Columns will create vertical headings. Rows create horizontal labels. And values are the data summarized in the table. For example, you could put education as rows, marital status as columns, and first name as values. Since first name is text, Excel will automatically count how many entries match each category. Once your fields are set, you can analyze your pivot table to answer your original question. You can see patterns, totals, and summaries without manually counting anything. You can also adjust your pivot table, change which fields are in rows or columns, and summarize numeric data by sum, average, or other calculations. Pivot tables make it fast and easy to explore your data and find the insights you need. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Excel tutorials for more ways to work smarter with your data.